Okay, I thought I'd make another quick video. This one's a kind of a request from Casey, I think. Let's look. Just make sure I've got this right. Yeah, Casey Baker was asking about, where they get these dots along here whenever there's a space. I found out how to do that. It took a few minutes of Googling. So basically, to get that on, you literally go into your file, preferences, settings, in Visual Studio, Visual Studio Code, and you've got like these user settings and stuff. Now, if you've got a little search box here, you can start typing render and start typing render whitespace. And once you get to W, it actually shows it here. Editor.render_whitespace is set to none as standard. But then if you click here, you can say all, and it pops it over here in your user settings. If I go here and say none or whatever, and you can just change that. So if it's set to none, this is the default, it's set to none. So if I literally save that and go to my app, see how there's none of those dots now? Whereas you'll be looking for that render whitespace and just click there and say all, and it will make a new bit in saying editor render whitespace and have all next to it. And it will just save that, go into wherever, and then when we press space or tab or anything, don't forget about that, it's trying to auto-complete stuff. But basically, once we just add loads and loads of space, it doesn't matter whether it's tab or a space or whatever, you end up with those dots. So hopefully that answers that question. It's fairly straightforward and shouldn't take too much messing. That was quite a quick one. Again, there's stuff like the tab indent colorize and stuff like that as well, but that's an actual extension. But the actual rendering the white space, the dots, that's not an extension. That's just part of Visual Studio Code as far as I can tell, and it's just render white space. So if I go on here, that's the actual setting. I'll pop this in the description of the video as well, so that you got something to kind of copy and paste if you want to just edit it in place. So thanks a lot for watching, and have a great day, night, or whatever time it is where you are.